blanket playing on the bed over there, so any noise and jingling, that's what that is. But I have another Vestiaire purchase for you, and it's just going to be its own video, hopefully nice and quick and short. I've obviously, oh no, I've put it on top of my mirror and I've just got dust all over me. I obviously have been purchasing quite a lot from Vestiaire recently. I found it, one, really quite fun to search all of their stuff, and two, like looking for some things that I'm missing in my wardrobe, bags that are like trendy that I don't really want to invest in, some colourful stuff. I mean, there's no like rhyme or reason for it. I just have been searching, and if I like, I like, and I grab. So this is my most recent purchase. It is a bag from Nanushka, and I purchased it last week. So my bag is from Nanushka. I love their stuff. I think their stuff is really cool. Vegan leather, which is obviously great for the environment, great for animals, and I just like the look of their stuff. And I found this bag, which I'd been looking for something in this colour, an accessory in this colour. It was listed for £150.97, and I managed to bargain it down to 86. No, sorry, I wish. I managed to bargain it down to 98.60. What I would recommend, a tip for buying on Vestiaire, is when you think you're happy with the price that someone's offered you or the person has accepted, add it to your bag before you actually go through with the purchase, and just have a look at your customs, the authenticity price, fee and stuff like that, because that can hitch up your price of your item quite a bit. And so I tend to do that. If I just see an item and I'm like, oh, I think that's a good price, I will add it to my bag and then see, which I've actually just did with something. I was actually looking at a Fendi bag, and I put it in, and the import and duties was £85. So that's almost another £100 added to the order. So I would just be wary of that. But anyway, needless to say, let's get into this. So this came from, well, actually, I'm not sure, because obviously it would have gone through Vestiaire in Paris first. Oh, this is actually from Vestiaire US. Doesn't say where the item is based, but I believe it's come from America. There is one small little nick on it because it is a very light colour, but it didn't seem too bad. This one took a little while. Obviously things that come from America can take a bit longer. So this was purchased on the 24th and it came yesterday. So that's like a week and 2 days. So still not too bad at all. I've actually managed to get myself into it now. Have I? No. God. Okay, let's open it up. Got a dust bag here. Pink dust bag. And actually it's the perfect little size. So it has been authenticated through Vestiaire. There's the Nanushka dust bag. And this is the bag. How cute is that? So I've been wanting a cute little cream or white. Now I would love a white, but I know myself and I'm very bad with keeping things nice and clean and pristine. So this is perfect for me. It's for London and on public transport, probably not the best thing because all you have is a magnetised closure in the middle and it's quite an open bag where you can easily put your hands in. It's probably not the best for security, but looking at it now, it's actually probably more of a beige, but it's a really, really light beige. Super cute. It's got a shoulder strap, which you guys know I don't like carrying a top handle bag with a shoulder strap, so this is just either gonna sit inside or yeah, it doesn't come off, so that's just gonna stay on the inside there, but if people just want to carry it. And then it's just got on the inside just like some sort of structure at the bottom. That's incredibly annoying. It's just got a bit of structure at the bottom just so that the bag does sit quite nicely when you sit it down, which is lovely. And yeah, I think I'm gonna wear this one today. And probably tomorrow. Because I do have, as I've mentioned, my friend's taking me out for dinner. So I've just noticed there is where the little mark is on the bag. Very small, barely noticeable, and it's on the back, which is very good. But it does look like it's not just a pen mark, some sort of burn of some sort. So not really something that can be resolved. But other than that, pretty clean and in good condition in my eyes. It was inspected by someone on the 28th. It was inspected by Mark on the 28th of January 2022. I think it would look quite cute with what I'm wearing today. This is actually probably a really good summer bag. Obviously the light colour, but then also to wear with a cute little summer dress or something. I really love this shape. Obviously, like, this is normally like a shape of a bag that you would get in like a really big size, and you can like put your laptop and all sorts in there. But obviously just a bit more miniature, but it's not too tiny. Like, let's just show you. Phone, bag. So lots of room for other stuff, and obviously because I don't have to actually zip it up or close it, I can probably fit quite a bit in there. It's definitely more than just like your phone, your keys, your lipstick. It's like got more room than that. Maybe a miniature perfume and hand balm and extras in there also. But yeah, I'm gonna leave that there for today. I hope you guys liked, okay, your daily dose of Phoenix, because he's just causing mischief everywhere. What are you eating? Are you licking your lips? What are you eating? Look, who is that? Why does he look so grumpy? I love you. I love you. I love you. And I'm gonna go do a bit of shopping now. I think I'm gonna go to, I need to do some like household shopping, but then I'm also gonna pop to, what's that place called? Home Sense. I wanna pop to Home Sense, see what they've got. So, I'm gonna leave you guys there. A nice short and quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the bag. And let me know what you think I should get next. Because I definitely need like more of like a black shoulder bag staple. It's not really something I have. I have a really old Whistles one, and then I have my Balenciaga bag, but that's the Balenciaga City is more like when I want to carry a bit more stuff, but I want something I could just throw on my shoulder. I'm not really sure what one I really want to go for. Obviously Chanel would be the ideal, but not happening yet. Anyway guys, hope you like that, and I'll see you soon in the next one.